So here you can see I have pretty much my canteros done. Already planted quite a few things in here, so I'll show you guys what I've planted so far. In a lot of rows, it's papaya, coffee, papaya, coffee, papaya, coffee. Here, I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna plant. I'm thinking of planting another citrus, a lemon, but still debating to see if it's a good spot for it. So again, the next row, coffee, papaya, coffee, papaya. In between, I did plant some squash, which I'm hoping will start growing and expanding in the rows. So you probably see the squash pop out here and there. So these are the ones that sprouted. Now in this row I have the feijão de porco, I have some yam, and I have some sweet potato. And in this row that I just finished, I'm gonna start planting some sweet potato. And in this row where I have kind of my fence, so I can prevent my dogs, they're still gonna go in there, but it kind of gives them, I guess, a little area where they have to actually do more work to get through. And in that area I have some feijão de porco again, so I'm hoping these things will expand, get bigger. I have some mamona, which will probably get really tall and kind of hopefully make like a somewhat of a barricade there. Now the animals will go through, but I'm just trying to deter them from coming here a lot, because the chickens, like in a couple of days, if you come look at this area, the chickens just mess it up. So when I have more time in these rows where it's kind of where I'm walking through, I would ideally want to put some wood, so like just a lot of wood, and make it into a walking area. And so that'll be the next step here, besides planting the sweet potato that I'm probably going to do today. When I have some time, I'll be laying all this down with wood.